Hello everyone. In this first tutorial, we will first set up Python and run a basic program to see if Python is running in this system or not. First thing, search for Python install. Okay. On the python.org website, go to this Python 3.11 version, go down, click on this Windows installer based on your Windows type, save the installer. Now click on install now, follow the instructions. Okay, Python is installed now. Now we'll see whether Python is set up or not. And this is the point where we will see various issues depending on everyone's system. If you face any difficulty, you can let us know in the group chat. So first we will open the command prompt and check whether Python command is working or not using Python version. Okay, so click on this. Okay, it says Python was not found. Run without arguments to install from Microsoft Store. So this is one of the issues we get in Windows system. If I try to run Python, it tries to find Python, it didn't find it, so it opens this Windows Store where it is saying install Python from here, like get Python command is there. So Windows Store is not able to find the installed Python. So there are two ways to install Python in Windows. One is through the Windows Store. If we install from here, it will set up accordingly, and then Windows Store will detect that Python is installed, right? So then if we run Python command, it will run properly. But right now we have installed it using downloads way. We have downloaded the installer and have run it, right? So now this Windows system is not able to, Windows Store is not able to detect it. So what we can do is either uninstall it and install through this. So this will be set up, or it says disable this shortcut. So we'll disable this shortcut because we have already installed the Python based from the installer, and we'll follow that path only because every system is different. So that is the standard ways. Download the installer and run it. So we'll go to the settings. If you also get this same issue, you can do that. Everyone might not get the same issue. So go to apps. Here in the advanced app settings, app execution aliases. So there are shortcuts for every type of installer. So here you can see we have two shortcuts for Python. So we disable that. Okay. Now if we run, now it is not going to that Windows Store, but still it's not able to find Python. It says Python is not recognizing internal or external command. So when we install Python using the installer, there are options to set up the path, but we have not chosen it. We'll do that manually. After installing any software, we need to set its path because Windows needs this command. Right now it's not able to map the Python command to that installer. So we have to set up that in the environment variable. So we'll see in the environment variable whether we have that or not. So search for env, go to environment variable. Here in the path, Click edit. So there is no path for Python, so we have to add. What is the path for Python? It's in the same app data folder. So we'll go to user profiles, that is C folder, users, user, and then here type app data, local, inside programs. Here you will find the installed applications, manually installed applications. So go to Python version, select this path and add it here. Okay. Now if you run it, it's still not able to find, so you have to close this, open again. It will give you Python version. So Python is set up. Now next thing is we need to install Visual Studio. If you don't already have Visual Studio, you follow this path, otherwise you can skip it. So Python can be run directly using the installed command. Like if you have any Python file, we can run directly. We can write the Python code in Notepad and run it using the Python file. Or for simplicity, we can use any editor. There are various editors for Python. We'll go with Visual Studio. So install Visual Studio Code. Follow the instruction to install it. See here, it's already selected, add to path. Now launch it. Okay, now as Visual Studio installed, let's write a Python program. Create a new folder. Let's say chapter 1. Open it in Visual Studio. Now it is totally empty. Create a file test.py and write a simple program. So how to display a message in Python? Using print. Just write print and in bracket your message. Now there are two ways to run it. First, open a command prompt and then use a Python command, python and test.py. So it will run your Python file. Another way is from Visual Studio, go to run and debug, click on run and debug. It will ask you to install Python extension. Install the extension. Now again go to run and debug. Select the debugger, Python debugger, Python, and it will run. So these both way you can use to run your Python command. You can keep editing this file. Run it using the command or this button. Okay. So our Python environment is set up. We are able to write code and run it. So in the next video, I'll explain basics of Python, how to write basic program and run it using the Visual Studio.